Buen día a todos and Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Good day to everyone in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Alright, no? Atong hisgutan ang postponement sa Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections o kagahapong adlaw gipirmahan ni President Marcos enacted into law Republic Act 12232. Alright, no? Karon, mo na giingon nga kinsa man ganitong nag-aspire sa December 2025 barangay elections. So, i-reserve na lang na ninyo next year, November 2, 2026. So, ang postponement of the barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections is significant and anticipated decisions. So, at last, President Marcos has signed the long-awaited postponement of the Barangay Sangguniang Kabataan elections, which is BSKE, a decision that many and the public have been anticipating. Unfortunately, katong mga gusto nga makandidato sa Barangay Sangguniang Kabataan elections, so bad news para sa ilan. For those who were looking forward to the elections this December, there is no turning back. A Republic Act 12232 has now officially come into effect. So the elections are now rescheduled for November 2, 2026. So Wednesday, Wednesday, August 13, kaghapon lang adlaw 2025, President Marcos Jr. enacted a pivotal law that effectively postponed the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections, which is BSK, originally scheduled for December 1, 2025. And this decisive move was made just a day before the bill was set to automatically take effect, underscoring the administration's proactive approach to governance. Now, what does the Republic Act 12232 entail? The newly established Republic Act 12232 introduces two significant changes. Number one, postponement of the elections. And number two is extended the extended term for officials. Pag may postponement of the elections, that is number one. The law reschedules the elections to the first Monday of November next year. Or specifically on November 2, 2026. This postponement aims to provide local government units with additional time to prepare, ensuring that the electoral process is conducted smoothly and efficiently. So, ang number two, extended term for officials. Pag may extended term for officials, the law extends the term of office for barangay officials and members of the Sangguniang Kabataan elections. So, na-extend ang term of office, mo na nga ang balaod nga RA 12232, the current 3 years to 4 years from current, di ba? Ang term of office manggod sa Barangay Sangguniang Kabataan elections from the current 3 years to 4 years. So, the extension is designed to foster greater stability and continuity in local governance. Diba? Allowing elected officials more time for effectively implement their programs and initiatives. And what is the objective of the law of RA 12232? Through these changes, the government aims to enhance the capacity of local leaders to address the pressing needs of their communities and drive meaningful change. So mao na gingon nga ang RA 12232 reflects the administration's commitment to strengthening local governance and ensuring that it remains responsive to the evolving needs of the populace. Now, in conclusion to this RA 12232, the combination of a postponed election date and extended term is expected to result in a more robust and effective local government structures. Despite the challenges, this step demonstrates the administration's determination to improve the local governance and public service. So katong mga na-expire para sa 2035 this December, i-reserve na lang na ninyo next year, November 2, 2026, para sa Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan Elections. Kay tungod sa Republic Act 12232, so wala tayo mahimo. Kay kana is a special law, usugot sa dili, ma-apply gina siya. Whether we like it or not, whether we follow it or not, wala tayong mahimo. Because that is a law. What is the law? It is better, but it is the law.